In this video, we'll show you how to replace the AC belt on your Ford F-150. This is located in the engine bay and on the front of the engine. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we're working underneath the engine bay now. We have these small tabs. We're going to turn these 90 degrees, and those will drop down. We then have some more clips. We can come along with our pry tool. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver for this. If you pull out on the panel with the clip can stay in the panel. At this point we have enough space. I'm just going to tuck this back to the side and let it hang. We're going to go ahead and drop the engine splash shield. We can remove the bolts with a 13 millimeter. And we can drop the engine splash shield. Now we'll be using a 15 millimeter to loosen up the tensioner. To do this, we're just going to turn counterclockwise. We can move the belt off of the tensioner. You can let that turn back. We can go ahead and remove our belt. To remove our AC belt, I'll be using a set of side cutters. Go ahead and remove that. We can start by getting the belt behind the crank pulley. And then we can get it onto the AC pulley. We use a couple of cable ties on the crank pulley. This will hold the belt to the crank pulley as we turn it. Now using an 18 millimeter, we can turn the crank pulley in the clockwise direction. Okay. Now we can use our side cutters to remove the cable ties. Now we can install our serpentine belt. Now we can reinstall our splash shield. Now we can snug those down. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our radiator shroud. Simply push all of our little tree clips back up into their place. And then turn each of our 90-degree connectors.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.